Residential dumpster rental in Lamesa, Texas just got easier with 806 Waste Management. We're here to make your home project cleanup a breeze. Our team is here to provide reliable, friendly service for all your waste disposal needs. With our convenient dumpster rental options, you can easily handle any project. Choosing 806 Waste Management means choosing hassle-free disposal. Our residential dumpsters come in various sizes to fit your project requirements. At 806 Waste Management, we understand that every project is unique. That's why we offer flexible rental terms tailored to your specific needs. Our affordable pricing ensures you get the best value for your money. You'll receive a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. Every job is manageable for our team. Let us take care of your waste so you can focus on what matters most. Enjoy peace of mind with our reliable and timely service. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we work hard to exceed your expectations. Our friendly team is always ready to assist you. From booking your dumpster to answering any questions, we're here to help every step of the way. Visit our website at www.806wastemanagement.com dumpster rental Lamesa TX, or call 806-778-1311 to learn more about our services. Don't let waste pile up, let us handle it for you. Contact 806 Waste Management and experience the difference our dedicated service can make.